Well, here we are at Daday Falls, located in North Cotabato, the Philippines. Here we are on our way northward into North Cotabato, the Philippines. We traveled for several hours just to get to our destination. Parking area to Daday Falls. We have to walk down there, right? Huh? Yeah.
We need to walk
From here?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many hours?
How far is it?
Sige. Hanggang sila malakad lang to. 1 kilometers.
Kilometer?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. You can drive down this?
No? The vehicle cannot cross the road. It's very
Oh, it's narrow.
narrow din na
So yeah.
park. Also, they will go there then see the view.
So these are banana trees. It'll take a while. That's all right.
This is adventure.
So we got about a kilometer, maybe 2 kilometer hike on this trail in there. A little Datsun, small vehicle, narrow, can make it in here. Better to be a motorcycle or an ATV, four-wheeler, that can do it easier, or a 6x6. As long as it's 4-wheel drive or 6-wheel drive, and make it in here. There's bananas. They're really small. Are they all staying back or what?
Yeah, at the back.
They're staying in that van?
Escarpment. At the van, stay there. At the highway.
Well, we'll hopefully get it all on camera. Right here?
Yeah.
This is how you get down?
No, you can stay here.
Oh, stay here? Oh, waterfalls is right down there.
Yeah.
Oh my God. There's a trail there. The guys are walking up it.
Ayun daw. Boss! Sa baba ka galing? Sa baba? Bumaba kayo sa baba? Sa baba kayo galing? Pwede doon? Pwede doon bumaba?
Yeah, I think.
We can stay here.
Well, I think it's okay here.
We can stay. Oh, stay back. Oh, kita mo na.
That's steep. Yeah, I need a flat area.
Yeah, that place.
Yeah. Here. It's recording.
Naligo ka mo, madam?
I gotta switch up this propeller, this battery. Even though I used up 1/4 of it, I don't want to take that chance. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fresh battery, no matter what. It's got to be fresh.
But
It's still good.
it's
for
so
other
good. Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
It's just that I have to use it fresh.
Much better.
That is a small drone.
No, I didn't take it with me. I left it here because I got 6 batteries here. This is the big one.
Be careful to the strong wind.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Oh, I know.
Ayos yung ring nila dito.
Everyone's worried about the strong winds, I know.
Hey,
No. I need a flat area. Which way is the falls? They're going this way, right?
Yeah.
So I gotta come out and go around sideways and looking down.
Din ko ng direction ka, Kwan?
Bilang, palupadala.
Nagaulan na.
Ay, yeah.
It's rainy.
Oh, that's gonna be okay. It's over there. That's going that way. I got the clear path here. The distance I need to go.
Well, here we are at Daday Falls, located in North Cotabato, the Philippines. The Daday Falls has an estimated height of 55 meters, which comes to just over 180 feet. It drops in a 90-degree angle and is considered to be the highest falls in the municipality Alamada, which is in North Cotabato, Mindanao, Philippines. You can hear the roar of these falls. It's just amazing to see this from such a high angle using my drone.
Alamada. So barangay nato. Kumbaga pa unsa ni nang
Yeah, you don't never have to worry about that about me. You know my views, you know
Okay.
where I'm thinking. So.
Lingawan niya kamo sa sao?
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah, we're done. We go.
Yeah.
So, lahat na.
Anyways, ingat, paalam. Here, how's that for apples? We're just walking back. We didn't go to the base of the waterfall. It is quite a hike. So I just launched the drone from top. If you all enjoy the view, I know I did. What a view. So I guess we're headed to either a restaurant or our resort, whichever one that is. Another beautiful view.